We all want more space, more room to breathe, more places to store the things we love or simply need to keep. But in most homes, space is limited. Corners are wasted, gaps are overlooked, and we walk past opportunities every single day, sometimes quite literally. One of the most overlooked areas of all, the staircase. That span between floors, that rise and run we climb without a second thought. It's a passage, a structure, a connection. But in the hands of clever design, it becomes something else entirely. It becomes storage. Not just hidden, but useful, intentional, even beautiful. That's where staircase drawers come in. Staircase drawers are one of those ideas that feel like magic when you first discover them. It's the kind of thing that makes you stop and think, why didn't I think of that? The concept is simple. Transform the dead space beneath each step into functional storage. But the execution? That's where the art lives. It's not just about building boxes under stairs. It's about merging form with function. About letting utility live inside structure. About making every inch of a home work harder and look better doing it. Imagine walking up a staircase and knowing that every step holds something. Maybe the bottom step slides out to reveal a deep drawer, perfect for storing shoes, umbrellas, or pet leashes. Maybe the next few hold winter accessories, scarves, gloves, extra socks. Higher up, you might find storage for seasonal items, craft supplies, or hidden valuables. Each drawer is like a secret waiting to be opened, a hidden compartment that doesn't ask for attention, but quietly supports your life behind the scenes. And it's not just about space saving. Staircase drawers can be beautiful. They can be crafted from the same wood as the stairs themselves, blending seamlessly into the tread and riser. Or they can offer contrast, bright colors, soft fabrics, bold handles. They can be pushed to open, handle-free, whisper quiet. They can feel like part of a larger story. The story your home tells about who you are and how you live. Designers and builders have taken this concept in all kinds of directions. Some go ultra-minimalist, hiding the drawers so completely you'd never know they were there unless someone showed you. Others make them a statement, visible, accessible, architectural. In tiny homes and compact apartments, staircase drawers aren't just clever, they're essential. In larger homes, they become luxury, the kind of thoughtful detail that elevates a space from functional to refined. And it's not just drawers. Some staircases hide entire closets, pull-out cabinets, bookshelves, slide-out pantries, pet beds, even laundry bins. One step might house a wine rack. Another might conceal a charging station. Another might lift open to reveal a hidden safe. The possibilities are endless because stairs are essentially a stack of volumes, and volumes can hold things. What's remarkable is how these designs shift our relationship with the home. Instead of seeing the staircase as a gap between spaces, we begin to see it as a space of its own, a zone of potential, a living part of the architecture. It's about working with the structure, not just around it. The craftsmanship involved is often exquisite. These drawers have to be strong enough to support daily weight, foot traffic, shifting load, vibration. The glides must be precise, the fit seamless. Every corner, every angle, every piece of joinery matters. It's not just cabinetry, it's structural cabinetry. It takes real skill, but when it's done well, it disappears. Or better yet, it invites attention without demanding it. A stair becomes a drawer becomes a delight. Think about how this could change the way we organize. In a family home, staircase drawers can help reduce clutter in the entryway. Kids can have their own drawer for school shoes or soccer gear. You could sort storage by frequency of use. The lowest steps for daily items, the higher ones for seasonal or rarely needed goods. It's smart, intuitive, tactile. And there's something satisfying about pulling out a drawer from beneath your own feet. In creative homes, these drawers become canvases. They're painted with murals, fitted with artistic hardware, engraved, patterned, or left raw to show the grain. In more rustic settings, reclaimed wood can be used, making every step a story. In modern interiors, they can be laser-cut, seamless, and almost impossibly sleek. And for those interested in sustainability, staircase drawers offer a brilliant way to make better use of existing square footage. Instead of building more or buying bigger, You're unlocking space that already exists, reclaiming it, refining it, respecting it. It's a small act of architectural generosity, a little nod to efficiency and elegance, working hand in hand. In commercial spaces, staircase drawers take on even more utility. In a shop or studio, they can hold tools, inventory, or supplies. In a gallery, they might store prints or packaging materials. In a cafe, they might hold extra menus, cups, or linens. Even in public buildings, they can become part of accessible design, storing emergency gear, information packets, or maintenance equipment without adding clutter. Some of the most innovative staircase drawers aren't even horizontal, they're vertical. Instead of sliding out like a typical drawer, entire stair treads lift up on a hinge, opening like treasure chests. Others pull out like drawers but then swing, pivot, or even rotate. It's a reminder that even within this small format, there's room for invention, for play, for design to surprise us. And perhaps what's most beautiful about staircase drawers is that they invite us to look again, to reconsider what's possible in the everyday, to stop seeing stairs as just stairs. Instead, we begin to see them as part of a system, a modular, layered, dynamic part of our home that can change how we live and move. This idea of layered function isn't new. Japanese architecture has long embraced the notion that a single object or space can serve multiple purposes. Rooms divided by sliding walls, raised floors with hidden compartments, furniture that transforms. Staircase drawers feel like an echo of that philosophy, an idea that space is precious, and every part of a home should be honored with intention. And in today's world, where we're often caught between the need to simplify and the desire to have what we need close at hand, this kind of design feels like a quiet revolution, a way of saying, you don't need more space. You just need smarter space. You need spaces that give back, that support your habits, that hold you, literally and metaphorically. Because at the end of the day, a home isn't just about walls and windows. It's about the small details that make life smoother, easier, more beautiful. A drawer in a staircase might not seem like a big deal, but when you open one, and it holds exactly what you need, your gloves on a cold morning, your dog's leash, that extra charger, it feels like the house is working with you, like the space understands you. And that's what great design does. It doesn't shout, it whispers. It waits quietly until the moment you need it most. Then, with a soft glide and a satisfying click, it answers you. Staircase drawers are one of those rare design innovations that manage to be practical, space-saving, and surprisingly elegant all at once. They take what's often an overlooked part of the home, the steps between floors, and transform it into something smart, efficient, and sometimes even beautiful. It's proof that with the right mindset, function and form don't have to compete. They can elevate each other. At first glance, staircase drawers might seem like a novelty, but once you live with them, you realize how game-changing they really are. Every step becomes an opportunity. An empty void becomes storage. Suddenly, you've got room for shoes, linens, seasonal gear, books, tools, you name it. And the best part, it's all hidden in plain sight. No bulky cabinets, no clutter, just a clean, seamless staircase that quietly works twice as hard. What makes this concept stand out isn't just the clever use of space. It's how it blends into the architecture. The drawers aren't tacked on, they're built in, integrated. They follow the lines of the stairs. They become part of the structure. And that's what gives them their magic. It's the kind of design that doesn't scream for attention but rewards a second look. That moment when a guest realizes, wait, that's a drawer, is always satisfying. And it's not just for small spaces, either. Sure, in tiny homes, studio apartments, and compact urban dwellings, staircase drawers are a lifesaver. But even in larger homes, they add a layer of thoughtfulness, a layer of intention. Because storage isn't just about having space. It's about using space wisely, efficiently, elegantly. And staircase drawers do exactly that. Of course, the possibilities go beyond the standard pull-out. Some staircase drawers are deep and spacious, designed to hold larger items. Others are narrow and shallow, perfect for storing mail, tools, or even pet supplies. Some integrate soft close mechanisms and hidden handles for a sleek, modern feel. Others celebrate the rustic charm of exposed wood, dovetail joints, and handcrafted finishes. There's no one-size-fits-all design. That's part of the appeal. And for DIY enthusiasts or custom builders, staircase drawers open up a world of creative opportunity. You're not just building steps, you're designing dual-purpose architecture. You get to choose the materials, the angles, the functionality. Maybe one drawer becomes a hidden bar, another a charging station. Maybe the entire staircase lifts to reveal a secret storage room. It's modular thinking brought into the heart of the home. What's also worth noting is the psychology of it. There's something deeply satisfying about design that works hard behind the scenes. That takes something you already need, stairs, and gives it an extra function without asking for more space. It's efficient, clean, almost meditative. It appeals to our desire for order, simplicity, and usefulness. And that's the real beauty of staircase drawers. They're not just about storing more stuff. They're about smarter living, about making the most of every square inch without sacrificing style, about seeing the home not just as a collection of rooms, but as a living system, one where every detail has purpose. So in the end, staircase drawers are more than a clever trick. They're a symbol of thoughtful design, of space transformed, of the everyday elevated. And whether you're building from scratch, renovating, or just dreaming, they're a reminder that sometimes the smartest ideas are hiding right beneath your feet.